Steve Pineda. I'm a vocational rehabilitation counselor. Please do not take anything of what I say in this medium as legal counsel or anything legal that you might think that I might be saying. Okay, so if you do require to check on whatever statements I say here, please check with an attorney, okay? Because that might be important. If you feel that you need to talk to an attorney, maybe there's a reason why, okay? So now I'm here to talk to you about, I'm talking to Californians in specific. Other viewers that are around the states might find that some of the laws in California may be similar to whatever laws you have in other states. You might check with an attorney as well because he might be able to give you better advice as to what you can do. But I want to talk specifically about an injury at work. And that is, and I've been saying, report it. How do you report? How do you report an injury at work in California? Okay. Do you just go up to your supervisor and, just indicate that you had an injury at work? Okay, that should be sufficient, you would think, okay? But some employers, unfortunately, do not train the employees right. At least those employees that are supposed to be responsible for the safety of other people in the company, okay? So for employers, you should train your people better, okay? Now, in California, for you to report an injury, it's enough for you to fill out this form. This is the DWC-1, okay? It's written in English and written in Spanish, okay? I'm giving you have to sign this form. You have to sign this form. You have to fill out basically the top part of the form is for the employee to fill out his information or her information and sign it, okay? Now you turn it in to your supervisor, okay? Now the supervisor has exactly 1 day to return it filled out, not empty, return it filled out and give you his copy or a copy of it, indicating now what the employee might do with that form is he's going to turn it into the workers' compensation insurance. You would hope that that's what he does or she does, but that's what they're supposed to do. They're supposed to report it to their insurance company, so that the insurance company can take immediate costs for you to visit a doctor and for you to have yourself checked out, because that is important to the insurance company as well. They need to find out right away. Okay, but this is an area that it's very important to many people, because a lot of employees don't know that the only thing that they have to do is fill out this form, this one, okay? And you can fill out the form, or the employer can fill out the form. Anybody can fill out this form, okay? You just have to download it from the web, okay? That is the DWC-1, okay? Then you can log on and just type DWC-1 and it will appear on the website, okay? So once you have signed that, in exactly 1 day, they're supposed to return it to you with the bottom portion filled out, okay? And it should say I think there's a space for the insurance company and the phone number in there, okay? So that's how you report an injury, okay? And it's important for Californians. This is for Californians. Fill out this form, okay? And that's how you report the injury to your employer, okay? That is important. Now, when you fill out this form, if you want to talk to an attorney, talk to him or to her, because they might be able to advise, give you more advice that you may need in order to be safe and feel protected, all right? So this is the DWC-1. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video, as it might help me with the algorithm, okay? So anyways, thank you very much. I will explain all this form in detail. There's a lot more things to explain here, and some things that you may not understand, but I will explain it to you. Okay, so thank you so much. God bless you all.